Hi everybody, I'm just making a couple of bird feeders. I don't know if you saw me throw this style of feeder. It works well, but I'm not keen on the lid. What I did with this one is I just threaded some fishing wire through it that I use for my cut-off wire. Birds like it. As I say, I'm not keen on the lid, I prefer this style. Just put that in the seed bag and scoop it up. This one's got a big crack in it, fell off. But they really like that, the birds do. So, I'm going to make one or two that style again. I've been on the wheel for a couple of weeks. I've been busy trying to sort the kiln out. I did get my fibreboard a week ago. Eventually. Yeah, I cut a section out for the back wall and I put it in place, and it was a really good tight fit, so I didn't glue it. I had a bisque firing, and the next morning it all buckled and come away. Once that happens, you can't straighten it. I thought I could put a weight on it and leave it overnight, but it just snaps. So I tried to get in touch with the supplier. To no avail. I didn't want to know. Phoned them, emailed them. I won't name them, even though I feel like doing. Yeah, and it did come to over £100, including VAT, so very happy folks. So anyway, then what I did was I cut another section, put it into position and held it back in position with some heavy kiln bricks, some that I bought ages ago for trying a sodified kiln. Fired again and it kept its shape. Yeah, so now what I've done is I've stuck it into position once it had been fired, but I couldn't find anything out about them online. Seems you have to prep the stuff first. Got what I was making then, folks. So yeah, now I've glued it into place. I'm just waiting for some gas again to fire it and hope it stays where it should. It's a double thickness this time. These are just 400 grams of clay, in case anybody was wondering. Yeah, these are just for the smaller birds, but obviously the bigger birds have got to eat as well, so I'm going to be making some slightly bigger ones. I'm just going to put one hole in these as well, one either side. Just leave a big enough gap for drainage. Yeah, so anybody in the UK that's thinking about getting some kiln supplies, and beware of a company with the first letter being a V. So their after sales care is non-existent. Sorry folks. Just been frustrating. Worse things happen. That'll be the little roof. And when it comes to cutting the hole out, just lift this little lip up slightly, up there. Yeah, the garden centre stroke tea room where I sell my pots is slowly reopening. Not the tea room side, but the garden centre side. So I'm going to get a few of these made and fired, and hopefully in the garden centre side. I'm not going to glaze them, I'm just going to blow ash on them. Give them a bit of a toasty look. Okay folks, nice to catch up with you all again. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.